Hello there. Welcome. Let's cut the blah blah and jump right in. Now that we've connected our data sources, let's get comfortable with the Tableau interface. This is the interface for Tableau sheets. You can see that there are different components that make up the interface. We'll explore them in the demo, but first there are some key Tableau jargon to get familiar with. The data pane shows the data sources you've loaded. Here we have just one, our global terrorism file. You can see there's another pane, Analytics, which we will look on later. The data pane also contains fields. First, we notice two different colors, green and blue. Green fields are continuous, treated as on an infinite range. Blue fields are discrete, treated as individually separate and distinct. Dimensions contain qualitative values, such as names, dates, or geographical data. Our dimensions include neighborhood or room type. Measures contain numeric quantitative values that you can, measure and aggregate, such as distance or height. Examples of measures in this dataset include price, number of reviews, minimum nights, etc. Dimensions and measures affect visualizations differently. Dimensions allow you to group and segment data, while measures can be aggregated and add quantitative values to dimensions. Segmenting means getting specific data for each category, for example for each neighborhood or room type. You can convert fields between measures and dimensions, or sometimes between discrete and continuous, but this will affect your visualization. Dimensions and measures are the items that you drag and drop on views, shelves and cards to build visualizations. Views are where your visualizations appear. Columns correspond to the x-axis of your view, and rows to the y-axis. The Pages shelf lets you break a view into several pages, for example, one page for each neighborhood. The Filters shelf lets you filter your data, and you will learn more about this in Chapter 2. The Marks field contains marks cards and marks types. Mark cards encompass color, size, text, and detail. These let you add context and detail to your view. You can change the type of marks displayed in the view to fit your analysis better using the mark types. Finally, the toolbar lets you quickly access useful features, such as undoing, sorting, clearing views, and so on. Enough of definitions, let's start playing with some data on Tableau. In this next lesson, we'll look at some pretty good insights from our data. Thanks for watching and spending your valuable time. Please subscribe and have a great day. Your single subscription will make my day. Thank you.